global warming, impact of climate change. As a result, the irregularity of rainfall is a matter of concern in the current context. Its impact is being observed in the agricultural sector. As a result, crop loss is a complex problem. Tribal people are more affected in this problem. Considering such a sensitive issue, the social organization Navodayam, an initiative of SDMC Trust, with the help of local voluntary organizations, has started an effort to make tribal women self-reliant in Koraput district and include them in the mainstream of society.
We at Sitadevi Malhotra Charitable Trust have a clear agenda of working towards livelihood, and in livelihood our focus is to improve livelihood, income of women-led livelihood, where we trying out different projects. 3 years back we started a project in Odisha, in Koraput district, which includes 2,000 women farmers, and with an objective of doubling their income in agriculture by intervening through various methods, doing the market linkages.
The project, Economic Empowerment of Women Farmers, was started with 2,000 poor women farmers of Semiligura and Potangi blocks of Koraput district. Voluntary organizations of Koraput district, like Word and Prastuti, were in charge of the implementation of the project. In the past, crops were grown only depending on rain, but not possible in summer. After digging the well, we brought a diesel pump set which was not sufficient. Again, the price of diesel increased. After a meeting with volunteers, they provided a solar water pump set. Now 20 to 30 farmers' fields have been irrigated. Now we are producing crops like sweet potato and vegetables such as chili, brinjal, cauliflower in summer season, and each individual earning up to 50 to 60,000 rupees. Various steps were taken to enhance the capacity of the members. Through the exposure visit, we went to different villages and learned about vegetable farming. How to plant, how to preserve, and how to market. We came to see the farm with the sisters. We were using chemical fertilizers. It was not good. Currently using pot manure. The crop is getting better. Eco-friendly seeds were recovered and stored in the seed bank. Our ancestors used this variety of seeds. But we used to buy seeds from market which was not good. So again, using this seed and exchanging with others. We are cultivating indigenous seeds and collecting and preserving them. Earlier, the seeds that we used to buy from the market were of low quality and had many pests. That is why we are using indigenous seeds. The cost has been reduced. Farmers were taught how to make organic manure and pesticides for pest control at low cost using local resources. The members could do seed treatment by making liquid manure like Bijamrit at low cost. We were using urea, Groma. The crops were not growing. Now, we are using vermicompost for which fertility of soil is increasing. Earlier costing was high. Now, the plants are growing well with compost without any cost. It is delicious and good for health. In order to level the soil and to increase water retention capacity of soil, land development work was initiated through Geo-NGO convergence under the government flagship program NGNRGS scheme. My feet are sick. I was deprived from farming though I had a hilly land. I included in the land development program through Word. 1.5 lakh rupees was received from the government. After land development, I am living by farming. Members were encouraged to cultivate various types of vegetables by incorporating their needs. Currently, we are producing vegetables such as cabbage, potatoes, brinjal, tomatoes, okra, semphali, beans, and cowpea. Using it ourselves, taking and selling in the market, earned and deposited in the bank. The members were advised to cultivate Suprabha varieties of ginger to further increase their income. We were cultivating paddy, ragi. There was no profit. We planted ginger and planted like beans arhar, cowpea inside it. We cultivated ginger in 1 acre of farmland. After all expenses, we have made a profit of 50,000 rupees. The members could earn more by cultivating crops like sweet potato. We applied fertilizer and planted sweet potato. After 3 months, we sold sweet potato. We sold everything and got 1 lakh rupee. Farmers producer organizations were formed and steps were taken to marketing the agricultural products. Earlier, we used to sell vegetables at a low price. We were being cheated. Currently, we have formed FPO involving 1,000 women. In the current meeting, there was a discussion on how to sell vegetables and how we can make profit. Word and Prastuti have installed solar-powered cold storages at various places to keep the products fresh after harvesting the vegetables. Farmers keep their products there for a week and take it to the market from time to time. All the products were arranged to be sold through ENAM, a special market set up by the government. As a result, the farmer could get a fair price from his products. Our company was launched in January. We have done ginger, potato, pepper, cauliflower, cabbage business. This year we have done a business of 30 lakh rupees.
When we started this project, the contribution of agricultural income to the household income was around 56%. And now when we have reached to this 3 years mark, through an independent endline evaluation, we see there is a 4 times increase in terms of contribution of agricultural income towards the household income. The mainstay of the program has been, the main driver of the program has been around women's agency and how women play a significant role and get their due recognition and identity as farmers. I think this project has humbly contributed that to these 2,000 tribal women farmers.
Now going forward with this kind of project being successful, we would like to further strengthen the FPO and the market linkage, and we'll also try to replicate this model to more villages and more areas with a similar kind of approach.
Due to the efforts of voluntary organizations, today the farmers of this region have increased their confidence and the family income has nearly tripled. Apart from this, they can get healthy food and have strengthened their food security.